Oh shit. You better quit recording that. I will fucking kill you.
I'm not recording.
You're recording. Whatever. Fuck you.
Yes!
I meant to do that one.
How many towels have you thrown in?
3! How many times does it look like I get 20? The fuck? Fuck.
Just no!
You're just laughing so fucking much, dude. You're making me laugh, and it's not that fucking funny.
It is freaking when I intercept your towels.
What?
What? Yeah, you throw the towel in, but I intercepted that too.
I don't give a fuck.
About you, one thing that you do.
I will throw the rest of this water on you. And I'll throw it on your TV and your Xbox and your Wii. What? I didn't even fucking see that! What? 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 Whoa! What? What? No! Stop! You motherfuckers! Stop! I didn't even fucking see you! This is bullshit, dude.
That-
You're fucking. No, I'm about to fucking cry. I'm so fucking pissed. It's not even fucking funny.